CJ, back in the finals. Definitely after that disappointing conference last season yun, you're back in vengeance. Talk us through yung how you feel right now and yung expectations mo entering that finals against TNT.
Sobrang happy kasi nga, yun nga, medyo nag-refresh yung sobrang stressful nung semis. Sobrang hirap. Pero yun nga, nakuha namin yung panalo and we're excited to play in the finals. And finally, parang ilang race din na bago kami nakabalik. And yun, sobrang excited ko.
CJ, it's not a familiar place sa iyo nung naghahabol kayo, you were on the bench but definitely you were cheering him on. Like, can you talk us through yung ikaw naman yung nasa other side, pinapanood mo yung mga
that's the good thing about sa team namin eh. Hindi mo alam kung sino yung puputok talaga. And I'm so proud sa mga teammates ko na nasa loob ng fourth quarter kasi talagang they gave it all. Talaga defense, offense, lalo na Chris Ross. Sobrang ganda ng depensa nila ni Jericho sa ibabaw. So, ayun, I'm happy. Siyempre, yun naman talaga yung basketball. Sa team talagang kailangan mo din mag-cheer minsan, hindi laging ikaw yung nasa loob. And I'm proud and I'm grateful na nakarating mo dito.
Ngayon, task nyo ay pigilan ang Grand Slam ng TNT. It's gonna be a tall task for you. Can you talk us through yung matchup nyo with TNT?
For sure, sobrang hirap yan. And sa amin naman, bibigyan namin yung best namin para hindi nila makuha yung Grand Slam. Kasi, ayun nga, ngayon lang ulit kami magtatapon ng finals ng TNT. And for sure, hindi naman nila bibigay sa amin na magalit. So, ayun, pag-aandaan namin, kailangan na magpahinga. And, ayun, we'll see kung ano mangyayari.
Kasi ano naman sa akin mga at 40, ganito yung pinakita ni Chris Ross as your ex-veteran.
40 na si Chris Ross pero mileage nun ata 18 eh. Pero parang sobrang talaga kahit di mo siya gamitin the next yung nakaraang game tapos gamitin mo siya ngayon. Talagang sobrang ready niya. Yung ganun yung magaling na leader talaga. Sobrang galing na leader and we know na pagpasok niya alam namin magko-contribute siya. And talagang sobrang focus. And lahat kami, pag nakikita namin na ganun yung energy niya, masasama ka talaga kami.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you.